Yeah, certainly. We've melted all our snow off here across central Indiana, with the exception of the piles where the snow plows put it. And with that melting snow and the rainfall that's heading our way tomorrow, flooding is likely going to be a concern for us. Ashley will talk more about that. Our concern here immediately as you walk out the door is the visibility once again. Quarter mile in Peru as well as Lafayette. 3 miles in Muncie. That's actually up a mile from just last hour. 8 miles in Indianapolis. And in northern and eastern locations, we still do have a dense fog advisory that is in effect. It does not include the city of Indianapolis, but get just north into Fishers and Westfield and into portions of Tipton and over into Kokomo. You are under a dense fog advisory. Then off to the east in Muncie and Richmond. That'll go until about 10 o'clock this morning. And just like yesterday, you'll burn that fog off and then get into lots of sunshine throughout the afternoon hours. You know, it's a little bit more in the way of cloud cover down to our south right now, but we remain completely dry. And today's actually going to be a very, very nice day for us once again. Yesterday, 64 degrees was our high temperature. First time we've topped that 60-degree mark since November 30 of last year. And today, we will make a run at it once again. The key to the forecast today is how quickly will the clouds increase throughout the afternoon. The quicker the clouds come in, the less likely we are to get to 60 degrees. But if we can hold the clouds off, I do think we can get above that 60-degree mark, especially in southern locations. And here we are at 2 o'clock. You notice the clouds just trying to creep to the north, but the rain, that will stay down to our south until tomorrow morning, and that's when that rain will start to sneak in here. Here's a live look from downtown off to the west. Yesterday, you could not see a single thing. Visibility not an issue here this morning. The temperature sits at 36 degrees. The winds are to the east-northeast right now at 7 miles per hour, and temperatures to the north are in the 20s. So some of that fog in northern locations could be in the form of freezing fog. Could put maybe a thin layer of ice on some of your cars if you've left them outside. So if you're in your morning commute, temperatures will hold pretty steady right around 35 degrees with the fog to the north. So low beams and slow down. And then for today, look at this, back into the sunshine near 50 degrees already by the noon hour, with our high temperature today topping off at 60 degrees. So while it's dry today and mild, tomorrow, Ashley, we are tracking that rain heading towards central Indiana.
Yes, we will bring rain to the forecast for you tomorrow, and unfortunately it starts very early tomorrow morning. Let's talk about tomorrow's planner. All right, so tomorrow morning, you wake up, you walk outside, and there goes the scattered showers, mainly to the south at first, and temperatures are mild. I think we'll see temperatures in the 40s throughout the morning hours, quickly warming to about 47 degrees by 11 a.m. So it's a nice day temperature-wise. It's the rain that we're dealing with throughout the day that makes tomorrow a little difficult. So rain throughout the day. The rain still going on at 5 p.m. as temperatures fall from about 56 down to 53 degrees. So temperatures get a little cooler at the 5 p.m. hour, and throughout the night we kind of hold steady with temperatures at around 50 degrees. Let's talk about the rain on TrueCast here. I want to bring in our forecasting model. As we can see, the rain kind of sliding up from the south. We dealt with this on Tuesday, a rainy day, and Friday, definitely a rainy day for us. First, the system sits mainly south of Interstate 70, but by about 8 a.m. it starts to move north, bringing rain to Muncie, into Hamilton County, Indianapolis, Bloomington, all seeing widespread, pretty steady rain. The rain gets pretty heavy as we get into the afternoon and evening hours. This is 5 p.m. I mean, look at this rain coming down throughout most of the area. Widespread rain, heavy rain at times, and it will continue into the overnight hours on Saturday morning. So a rainy day tomorrow, a rainy morning on Saturday morning, but then we'll dry out. We're going to see quite a bit of rain from this system. So with the snow mounds that will melt and quite a bit of rain, we are concerned about flooding from this system. As we look here, what's happening by 8 p.m. on Friday night, we have about 4/10 of an inch of rain for Indy, about 3/4 for Bloomington into Columbus. By the time this system moves out, I think it's possible to see nearly an inch of rain for Indy, 1.5 inches for areas to the south. Saturday and Sunday look great. Temperatures are in the 50s there. Sunday, the better day, of course, 56 and mostly sunny and dry. Next week, I'm already planning out my pick of the week. It's going to be Monday because temperatures on Monday will warm to 64 degrees. At that point, you can find a park bench, sit down, and just enjoy the warm air that's sitting over us. 7-day planning forecast shows temperatures pretty mild throughout the period. Enjoy spring. We're not in spring technically yet, but it definitely feels like it.